Actually, Apravi and I first met in college. So she was my junior in college.
One day, just at the beginning of the college, he had come to our class with the other team members to give us a small presentation about the event.
Because she wanted to meet the event coordinator of the event that I was organizing. So she came to me first and she said, "Hi, I'm Apravi."
I went up to him and introduced myself so that I could be a part of the event and get to learn something from him.
And are you the event coordinator? So I was like, yes, I'm involved with the event. And she introduced herself to me first, and then I spoke to her. She was my junior, 2 years, but then the fact that she came to me and she approached me was something that really touched me.
And he came across as a very smart and confident guy. And not only me, all of us thought the same. So
Then we decided to meet and get friends on Facebook and become close. And eventually, we started realizing that we have got feelings for each other. And it was just about 10 days since we joined college, and we got together, and I proposed to her, and she said that yes, she'll go out with me. So that's how it started.
ਤੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਨਾ ਪਿੰਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੂਜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕੋਈ ਚਿੱਕ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਤੂੰ ਖਿੜਕੀ ਤੇ ਬੈਠੀ ਸ਼ਰਮਾਏ ਵਰਾਂਡੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਦਿਖ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਓ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਨਾ ਪਿੰਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੂਜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕੋਈ ਚਿੱਕ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਤੂੰ ਖਿੜਕੀ ਤੇ ਬੈਠੀ ਸ਼ਰਮਾਏ ਵਰਾਂਡੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਦਿਖ ਮਾਹੀਆ
really can't believe that you're getting married. Oh my god. Shit. And you know, I'm really going to miss everything. I can't believe that you're not going to be there for me to fight with you constantly and to share my clothes with and everything.
दिन शगुना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजया हाँ
तुझे जल्माच्या टायमाच्यान आय हॅव सीन यू हाव यू ग्रोन अप तुका ल्हान आसतना खेळयला तुजे बरोबर खेळ्ळा द बेस्ट पार्ट आय रिमेंबर इज वेन यूज टू गो टू डान्स कॉम्पिटिशन्स एंड समटायम्स आय यूज टू बी देर टू सी हाव यू परफॉर्म हाव यू डान्स
मेरा सजना मिले
Hey Apu, I just want to recall the time when I used to drop you to college, and even after dropping her out of the car, she used to be like, Anshul, can you please help me cross the road, you know? But a lovely person, and all the very best for you in your life. Gio, dudo nao, puto falo.
Adopt a dog.
In you!
दिन शगुना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजया
I believe whatever you are today, it's just because of your dad. So papa तुका सगळीकडे घेऊन गेला डान्साक. You should take तितलेच कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन जितले तू डान्साक घेताले तितलेच कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन or more than that he was part of it. And we are going to miss you all. And hope you have a lovely wedding and a great तुझे मुखार future. आणि बेगीतले बेगीन give us a surprise आणि बेगीतले बेगीन give us good news. We love you all and we'll always miss you.
Really happy to be with you all on your big day. All the best, and we really wish you have a bright future.
टोलना वे रंजन माही टोलना
bubbliness, her warmth, her positive feelings. They've always been there, and I think I'll miss her for that. I'll miss her for all the love she always showers, not only on me, on everybody. Apravi, I'm going to miss you like anything.
जा तू अर जाइया जावा
Hi Apu, I hope you know. I know you do that. I am one of the most happiest that you finally get to marry the love of your life. I wish you and Siddharth a life of happiness, togetherness and love. We love you.
लेके मैं आवा आतिशबाजी करा के तेनू लेके मैं जावा
December 2nd, the day has finally come. It's been a long ride, and to be honest, it's been a wonderful ride for our whole family. Apravi has totally changed my brother for the good, because I always remember him as this really quiet, caring brother in such a way, and she's really made him open up.
छलका छलका रे कलसी का पानी छलका छलका रे
Hi Siddharth, I'm so excited that you're getting married. You know that we've all been waiting for this day since I don't know when. And I know you told me that please मेरी इज्जत रख ले और please शादी कर लेना मेरे से पहले. But I'm sorry I didn't stick to that promise. But yeah, soon, I mean soon, okay? And I'm really excited that Apravi is going to be a part of our family. I think you guys are really good together. And I just can't wait to see you all, start your life now.
गुड्डा बोले जाना नहीं गुड्डी बोले जाना नहीं सखी बोले बस एक दिन कल का छलका 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 रे ओ आँख न मानी
I do not attend weddings, but this is one wedding I was damn sure that I have to attend. So when Akka called and said that Sidhu is getting married, my first reaction was, huh? Already? Itna bada ho gaya? But then Sidhu has been like that.
Hi Sid, I'd like to first of all congratulate you for your wedding. It seems like yesterday we were children and we used to like hang out on Saturdays at Ajja's place. We used to do various things. It's crazy memories, and now here you are. Tera shaadi ho raha hai, dost. And yeah, all the best for your wedding. And Apravi, you are one lucky girl. You have my brother as your husband. And all the best to both of you. Have a wonderful years ahead. And yeah, that's all.
हमें जलाती रह गई छलका छलका रे कलसी का पानी छलका
So in short, just make this a wonderful time for you. This is one of the best coming days of your life. So you'll be getting your best wishes from me and my family. So always we'll always be with you. Thanks.
छलका कागा बोले जाना नहीं जोगी बोले जाना नहीं कर बोले एक दिन और कल का छलका
I'm so glad I made it to this wedding. One, because ऐसा wedding मेरे मोया community में कभी पहले हुआ नहीं है, शायद आगे कभी होगा भी नहीं.
Speaking about the qualities of Apravi, there are many, but a few I'd like to mention. Firstly, she's very caring. She always wants to ensure that I am safe, and she always keeps asking me where I am to know that I am safe, I am happy, and I am not in any kind of problem or trouble. So even when I'm at work, she always wants me to ensure that where I'm going, so that she knows that I'm safe.
Siddharth is a very genuine guy, you know, he cares a lot about the people he loves, and all these years he has kept me like a princess, pampered me a lot, made sure that he's around, he's there for me whenever I need him.
दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखे कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी ना धूप चुनी ना छाऊं कैसी तेरी
But at the same time, he's a very practical guy. He can manage any difficult situation very smartly. So this is a combination that made me fall in love with him.
समंदर फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया.
Siddharth and his parents have always loved me like the daughter they never had. Very loving and caring, and at the same time very crazy and fun loving, just like me. So you know, I can completely be myself around them without the fear of being judged.
मन मन की सुनता जाए सुनता नहीं मन वालों की मन ही मन में बनाए दुनिया ये एक ख्यालों की.
पास कोई आवे दूर कोई जावे होता है क्यों ये कोई समझावे.
ऐ मन करदा है ठगी ठोरियां ऐ मन करदा है सीना जोरियां ऐने सिख लइयां दिल दियां चोरियां ऐ मन दियां ने कमजोरियां ऐ मन करदा है ठगी ठोरियां.
The girl he's getting married to, Apravi, is someone I think who is destined to be married to my son.
I've always wanted a daughter. I have 2 sons and I always missed having a daughter. Since the day I have come to meet and know Apravi, I know that she has filled that void in my life of a daughter.
Birds of a feather flock together, and I know that Apravi and Siddharth will add value to the family, and we also hope that we can contribute to them for their success.
The reason? Because I got to meet Apravi, I got to see both of them together, and what a pair they make.
सुद्धा तिचा तो अभिमान अजून आहे तिचा. आणि तशी ती आई म्हणून माझ्याशी सगळ्या गोष्टी मला सांगायची, कधीच काही लपवून ठेवायचे नाही.
We have been away from each other for many years. After the graduation, first he moved out of Goa for his masters, and then when he came back to Goa, I had to move out to pursue my masters. So those were the very difficult yet most memorable times for us, because we would, wait to see each other, speak to each other, and it's during those years that's, when we realized we cannot stay without each other, and how much we love each other.
When I see the two of them together, it makes me very emotional, because I know that they are going to be very happy together. All my blessings to both of you. Be happy, stay blessed, stay happy.
Love you, we'll miss you, and we wish you all the best in your future, all the activities which you take, and along with Siddharth, progress as you were with us. But we will definitely miss you. The gap left by you will not be filled by anyone else.
समाधान